Oh man, that's so good. But too hot. Today we're turning these chops into this ground. But first, we gotta cut the grass. All right, grass is cut. We'll get everything set up and we'll smash some burgers. Okay, next step. Grinder, KitchenAid, spice, raw pork. Oh, these bone bits that we're gonna sauce up and make so good. We'll slap it through the grinder and then we'll get a big bowl of meat. So we're just gonna take about a handful. Obviously, we're just gonna make a ball with this and we'll give her a fast forward. All right, we got the Brinkman all ready to go. We got riblets, pizza, potato pizza, and we got a nice pork burgers. All right, I'm gonna load all this food up on the grill, give her a cook, and then we'll be back. Always gotta have your coffee. Man, I'm looking forward to this so much. I haven't had a barbecue in about 4 years, and I used to cook everything on charcoal. I'm thinking about getting a charcoal grill too. Ooh, I can hear that sizzling. Can you hear it sizzling? But I got this Brinkman, side of the road. Hey Brinkman, I could use an upgrade. You got the grill going anyway on the weekend. Throw some more burgers on there, throw some chicken breasts. In this case, we're doing burgers and pizzas, along with some pork ribs that we cut off when we did all that grinding. Woo! Yeah, those got some color on them there. We'll let them go a little bit longer. I gotta go get me some better tongs. I'll be right back. I love cooking on the grill. I love making meals for my family. I love just cooking all kinds of stuff. Everything's almost done. We're just waiting on the last flip of these burgers, and then we'll take everything in and we'll have a look. Oh my God, look at that feast. Look at that feast. We gotta try some of that pizza. All right, let's try some of this. Woo-hoo. Oh man, that's so good. But too hot.